Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can return an item on the Amazon app. It's quite a straightforward process once you know where all the settings are, so let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have my iPhone. The first thing we need to do is actually load up the Amazon app. The easiest way to do this is to just click and hold anywhere on your screen and drag down. You're going to end up with the search bar. We can just type in Amazon and load up the Amazon app. Once you have the app loaded on your phone, the easiest way to do this is to see the four options at the bottom: home, U, cart, and menu. You actually want to click on the U section, right? This is going to load up all the various different things about your account. And at the very top left-hand side, you see something called orders. Click on that, and it's going to load up all of your recent orders that you have placed here with Amazon. Now, what you can do is click on any of the orders that you want to return an item for. So I'm just going to click on this one right here, which is a Valentine's Day card. From here, you can see you have all your information about this particular order. For example, you could buy it again if you wanted to. You can see that it was delivered, what time it was delivered. Obviously, the address and stuff is blurred out there. Then, of course, you've got to track the packaging. You could leave delivery feedback. And then a little bit further, you can see where it says return items. Now, I'm eligible until the 28th of February for this particular item. So you do check to see whether you are eligible to actually return the items that you're looking to return. I'm going to click on that. It's going to basically load up all my various different options about this particular delivery. Now I can see it's missing or broken parts, maybe the item arrived too late. Whatever the reason is that you are looking to return the item, find the best one that fits here and then go ahead and click on continue. Now I'm not going to do this, but it's quite a straightforward process. Once you go through these options, you're going to select the item, say maybe it was bought by mistake, for example. You can add some comments, you'd click continue, and eventually you would go through all of the options, and then you can basically request a refund for the item. Now, with Amazon, not all items will be collected. Some items will be. Sometimes it's just not worth the actual couriers coming out to pick up an item that's been delivered to you in error, for example, and they might just tell you to dispose of it, for example, and give you and issue you the refund. Sometimes they will ask for that item to be, collected, in which case you have to arrange that with them as well. But ultimately, you just go through this process, and that is how you would return an item on Amazon. And guys, it's as easy as that to essentially return an item using the Amazon app. If this has worked for you, found it useful and helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you all in the next one.